Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. It is relatively straightforward once you know where the settings are, so as I get into this, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start right here on the desktop, okay? So we're going to show you how to do this on the desktop, and then we are going to jump over to the mobile device, and I'll show you how to do that there as well. So on the desktop, we're going to come up to our icon where it says account, we're going to click on that, we're going to go over to where it says settings and privacy, we're going to click that. From here, we're going to go to where it says settings, click on that one. That's going to load up all of your settings for Facebook. Now on the far left hand side you have something called Meta Accounts Center, and it says see more in Accounts Center. We're going to click on that one. That's going to load up a whole new tab for us, and it's going to load all of this area just here where it has all your profiles, etc. Now on the far left hand side you have something called personal details. We're going to click on that. From here we can then see that at the very bottom option is the account ownership and control. Click that one, and this is where we get to decide what to do next. There are two options here. We've got the first one, which is basically you get to decide what happens to your main Facebook profile after you pass away. We're not really interested in that one today. Underneath that we have the deactivation or deletion. This is basically the area where you get to temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete your accounts if you want to. This is what we're looking for, so we're going to click on the second option there. Then we get to choose which account we're going to be doing this to. So we've got, in this case, 2 Instagram accounts and a Facebook account. I'm going to go ahead and choose my Facebook account. Now from here we have 2 more options, the deactivate account or the delete account. Now in this particular tutorial we're talking about deactivating the account. So this option says deactivating your account, it is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photo will be removed from most things that you've shared. Right, you'll be able to continue using Messenger. So at this point we would go ahead and click on continue. Okay, this is going to give us a whole host of other things going on, such as you've got Facebook profiles or pages that need to be deactivated first. So in this particular case here, it says deactivating your account will also deactivate any pages that you manage individually that are not connected to a business profile. Right, to keep pages active, you must visit settings to assign another administrator or give someone else full control or connect page to a business portfolio in the Meta Business Suite. And I can go ahead and click on continue. Okay, it'll ask you for a password, and at this point I'm not going to go any further, but basically you can go through the rest of these steps and basically deactivate your account. And of course it can all be reversed later via the same method. But for now, that is essentially how you would go ahead and deactivate your account on the desktop. So let's go and jump over to the mobile device. Okay, so here I have my iPhone. The first thing I need to do is go ahead and click on Facebook. From here, on this kind of home page, I guess, is the bottom right hand corner. You see something called menu. It's like your little icon of your profile picture. Click on that one. It's going to load up this screen here. We're going to scroll down just a little ways until we find settings and privacy. It's just in here. It's under help and support. So we click on that. It's going to expand this section, and we want to click on settings, which is the very first one there. From here, we have the Meta Account Center. Again, very same as what we saw on the desktop. We're going to click on More, and from here we can see all of these settings. We want to scroll down until we find the personal details. We're going to click on that. And from here, we have the bottom option, which is account ownership and control. Click on that. And then from here, we have, again, the same 2 options. Decide what happens to your main profile after you pass away, or deactivate and delete. Or delete, I should say. We're going to click on the deactivation or deletion, the bottom option. We're going to click on that, and then from this it's going to basically ask what profile we're looking to deactivate or delete. I'm going to choose Facebook in this case, and then from here we have these options, deactivate or delete. We're going to click on the first option there, which is deactivate, and we're going to click on continue. From here it's going to tell you about pages and all that usual information. Basically you can't deactivate your account without kind of damaging any pages that you manage individually if there are no administrators that you can assign it to or a business profile. Okay, but in this case I don't mind. I'm going to click on continue, and it's at this point we're going to end up with the same thing as before. Put the password in, all that kind of usual information. We're not going to do any of that today. okay, because I'm not looking to deactivate my profile or anything crazy like that. But basically, you just follow the next few steps and basically deactivate your profile right there on the page. And so guys, it is really that easy to temporarily deactivate your Facebook profile. If this has worked for you, found it useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button for me and subscribe for more hints and tips. And I will catch you all in the next one.